In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to recover deleted drafts on Instagram. I'll show you the exact way to download all your deleted drafts. Go ahead and launch your Instagram app. Go to your profile. From your Insta profile, tap on this menu. In here, tap on Account Center. In Account Center, you have to tap on your information and permissions. In here, tap on Export Your Information. And here, tap on Create Export. And here, select Export to Device, or you can select Export to External Service. I'm selecting the first option. And here, tap on Customize Information. Tap on Clear All. Now we have to scroll down and we have to select only media. So this media option includes all your draft reels, draft videos, everything. Just select media, tap on save, and then notify. Here you can add a Gmail address to get notified when your file is ready to download. And date range, you can select date range if you want to restore all your all-time deleted draft. Then you have to select your all-time, then tap on format, select HTML, tap on media quality and select higher quality, tap on save, tap on start export, and then you have to verify your Instagram account password. Just enter here your password, tap on continue, and after that you have to wait until 3 to 5 hours to get the download link via the email address you provided here. Or you can just come to your Instagram and just go to notification panel. When your file is ready to download, you get a notification, and by tapping on the notification you'll be able to easily download your all files. Thanks for watching.